Acer email with Acu-Rite VUE digital readout provides simple, cost-effective entry-level solution for manual machine tool applications. The Acu-Rite VUE features exclusive LCD display screen technology and versatile software to accommodate milling, turning, and grinding applications. The VUE is the first readout in the industry to display full text on a crystal clear LCD. Plus, a content-sensitive help function assists you right on screen to increase your production. Acu-Rite VUE standard features: 1. Die casting metal case for harsh environment. 2. 1, 2, or 3 axis 5.7-inch transmissive LCD display. 3. Absolute incremental. 4. Feed rate display. 5. Multiple language support. 6. Preset and zero reset. 7. Near zero warning. 8. Help function. 9. Job clock. 10. 4 function calculator, trig calculator. 11. RPM calculator. 12. 16 tool offset diameter. 13. Linear and non-linear compensation. 14. 14. Serial communication via USB for software download. Advanced milling features. 1. Bold hole pattern calculation with graphics. Full and partial circles. 2. Linear patterns. 3. Center line calculations enable you to establish workplace and midpoints. 4. Incline milling. 5. Arc milling. 'All Acu-Rite VUE DRO products come with a 3-year no-fault warranty, unmatched in our industry. Thousands of Acu-Rite DROs with glass scale have been installed and are being used in some of the most severe applications day in and day out. It's been proven to be the most reliable and durable digital readout available. The Acu-Rite VUE LCD DRO is the perfect fit into Acer's most popular email to make parts easier in a user-friendly and versatile way. We hope your next meal will be Acer email with Acu-Rite VUE DRO.